In this video, we'll learn how to use the TUS Diagram Creator and Editor. This is a new feature with ACS 3.0, which allows users to generate custom diagrams with a simple, intuitive editor. Navigation. To access the diagram editor, navigate to the equipment dashboard from the main menu, and select the equipment you want the diagram for. Click on the Details tab, open the Images drop-down, and click the Edit button under the TUS diagram box. Creating and editing a diagram. The diagram editor will load with a default template of the most recently saved diagram. To choose a different starting template, click the Choose Template button. Where you will be given the option of prism or cylinder and last created. Note, if there is no history of diagrams for the equipment, the editor will look like this from the start, except there will be no last created option. Whether prism or cylinder is displayed as an option will depend on dimensions listed in the equipment details. If the equipment has height, width, and length listed, the prism option will be displayed. If height and radius are listed, the cylinder option will be displayed. Let's start with the default prism. Here you will see two tables of options for your diagram, and a preview of what the diagram will look like. The dimensions in the preview will auto-populate based on the equipment's dimensions, and the default number of TCs is based on the size of the equipment, with larger equipment starting with more TCs. The first table controls the color-coded key for the TCs in the diagram. The labels for these keys can be changed to say anything you want, and a variety of colors can be chosen. You can add a new key with the Add Key button, or remove one with the Trash Can button. The second table allows you to modify the TCs in the diagram by adding or removing them, renaming them, or changing their color in accordance with the key. To demonstrate the usage of these tables, let's add a load TC to the diagram. First, we'll add a key and name it Load TC. Then, we'll add a TC, which will appear in the top left corner of the diagram. Now we'll rename it. And drag it to the desired location within the diagram. You can adjust the position of any TC by clicking and dragging it as well. Once you are satisfied with the diagram, click Submit. Click Confirm to assign it as the new primary TUS diagram for the equipment.